We're out early this morning and we're doing a little maintenance. Just trying to keep shooting lanes open, and we're peeking around. We've had some good rain, and oh man, let's pick that sucker up. No way. Oh, dude, a screamer. God, man, that would have been a heck of a point. Look at that thing. Just a smoker. Dang. Wow. Unbelievable. Super thin. Super thin. Just incredible. That would have been, what a point. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. Oh yeah, we're gonna get some stuff cut, and then we're gonna get to poking around. I got a good feeling that we're in a good spot here. Look at that. Man, oh man, that'd have been a screamer. Woo! Oh man, that's cool. Well, we're still poking around before we get to some real work, and let's pick this guy up. It's like a broken tool. Oh man. Woo! Okay, that's pretty neat. We're just gonna keep going. I gotta get some work done, and then I'm coming back. All right. Golly dang it. Well, the Lord is with us today. I think that this is something right under the tractor. Oh man, no way, brother. Oh, that would have been a beauty. Woo! Holy smokes, what a day. I keep saying we're gonna get going, and I can't get going. I can't get going, and I'm not complaining. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. That is incredible. Right here underneath the tractor. Came back just for a second. Oh my gosh, get out of town. Yeah, thank you, God. Oh, praise. This is incredible. Man. Okay. All right, haven't even started looking. We got that guy. And we got that guy. And broken tool. Okay, alright, focus. And we're down in the creek just looking around, and I was up on that bank and I was looking down here. I was like, I don't know if I really want to come down here or not. I don't know. But boy, I sure am glad I did. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Bam! Look at that! Oh, God. Dude, if that ear would have been there, unreal. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so glad I came down here. I didn't think I was going to. Oh my gosh, look at that. Whew. Dude, just laying right there, just saying, hey man, you're right, you shouldn't come over here. Unreal. Smoker, baby. That is cool. Oh, it doesn't have that ear. Golly. I will take that. So cool. All right. Yeah. Well, we've had a bunch of rain, and we're just out checking stuff out, and just kind of picking up some debris on the hillside here. I blew off the leaves a little bit ago, and we just came across this. Let's pick it up. I have to wash that up some more, but that's definitely a broken tool. I mean, like, almost all the way there. Looks like it's broke right there. That's cool. That's cool for just surface hunting, just looking. We got a bunch of broken plates that I want to move those out of here so they don't catch my eye. Cool, we'll keep checking stuff out. That's really neat. Awesome, we'll take it. Well, we're down at the creek and filling up with some more water here, and picked up this guy. Didn't film it. It's a broken tool. Really neat. It's got that edge that's really worked. But it's broken. But I mean, the contour on this is super neat. Makes you wonder what it looked like when it was whole, or what kind of tool they used it for, but that'll go in the pocket. Cool. I was digging a little bit here last time. You can see my little sifter over there. But since it rained, I'm kind of checking all these spots where I blew the leaves. And this was just a flake. And I looked over here, and this guy was all washed up. I think that's a tip. I think that's a broken tip there. I'll have to wash that up, but it's definitely a broken tip. Man, would have been a screamer. Thin to win. I get that. You can see the flake work on that. Hey, that's cool. I was just coming back up from the creek. Thought I'd check this spot. I hadn't checked it yet. Cool, cool. Maybe we'll find a holy. Oh, we're making our way along, just checking stuff out. And I believe I come across something here. Let's pick it. Whoa. Look at that. Hot dog. Heck yeah, thank you. I will take that. That is awesome. That is so cool. Man. It's missing that one side there. It's probably been resharpened a bunch. Maybe a hafted scraper. Woo! I was just checking this hillside, and I hadn't been here for a while, so I thought I'd check this spot and, just surface hunting, and there she be. What a beauty. Thank you so much. Well, my neighbor's building the house, and we're out looking where he's working, and found a couple broken tools, but oh man. Oh dude. Oh, so thin to win. Oh, dude, that would have been so awesome if it was whole. Sheesh. Well, that's super cool. Very happy with that. It's a nice little base. We'll keep looking around, see what we. Well, we're out here dove hunting. I got a deer on the levee. We got a mojo out in the field. And we're gonna see what flies by. Hopefully we'll catch our limit here pretty soon. It's still early, about 6:45. And then we'll get back on getting ready for deer season. So I think I've been spotted. She sees me. Beautiful.